Here's a 2018 Honda Odyssey. From a hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you could want. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rear view mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and automatic transmission. Kelley Blue Book states, in everyday driving, the Odyssey's suspension absorbs bumps and road imperfections for a very comfortable ride. Yet the settings aren't so soft as to induce unwanted body roll in the turns. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Pohanka Honda of Fredericksburg is a great place to buy a car. Conveniently located at 60 South Gateway Drive in Fredericksburg.